28% now. 35 DA is only pure gold, right?
May
Is that
Griffin
correct?
Empire dito.
May Griffin.
No, but
Griffin
Oh,
din, may
actually,
Griffin.
it should be with Alliance. They only have like 50 people in comps.
why is someone telling me that Smuggler Den has 80 people?
Konti lang
Yep.
yung Griffin na nandun sa...
Tanker what they say.
Mugi, may
Yeah.
nagsispread na dito ng mga brawlers around the map sa Bale.
Okay. Send. I'm just waiting for Kajax. They should be ascent already or cross.
Min, nakamute ka ba? Nagsasalita ka dyan.
35%. 35% is...
Bakit?
79 people lang yung sila.
95.
Yung kaya ni Mil Sa din. 79 lang yan.
Gusto mo ba i-scout kayo, Smuggler?
No
Sabi
need.
Okay.
Nakalive si Emil. Nakita naman.
Everybody out southwest. Still waiting for body. Is there any chokes I can play there? Not much chokes. Okay. Buddy, where are you guys now? Is Leopai playing range? Are you guys playing range? Okay. I saw Rift Glaive, I thought it was banned.
Yeah, we win cross.
You cross na. You just zoning cross?
Galing yan.
Yeah.
Okay. They won map away. Yeah, everybody get ready. Marlica, wake up.
Yo, wake up.
We see what happens first. Yeah, listen, Tank, I need you guys to peel well. Yeah, listen, what is Kajak bomb using? I need one bomb squad to keep hitting the brawlers inside. Yeah, pure gold holding in Glen.
Revive DE na dito yung gold.
PG is holding Glen. You mean pure gold is holding Glen? They're not in Vale?
No, andito lang
Kasi
They're in Vale.
35 DE na. 35.
Yeah. My other bomb's about to zone in. We should be 33. 32. Everybody wake up, Marlica.
Nagsascout lang yung chill here.
Yeah.
Level 40 na Baba.
Level 40. In Glen lang.
England. And some people na nasa Vale din.
Oo, all alliance yata. May Gankar
Kajak here already?
Fighting.
Okay. What bomb are you using? What melee? Just a clap? Okay. Can help me keep engaging on like Griffin Empire. They fucking just gonna go in and brawl, Yeah, they full bro. Yeah, Henry, listen, we gonna try to kite first, okay? Especially if they full brawling. Try to look for a choke. Are you guys zoning now? Okay, we're 31 now. You guys should be here. Do you guys have Mami? Kajaks or no?
Cobra Alliance.
May new blood sa Southwest. Sa Bale. Paki-check.
Aguila Southwest? What do you mean Aguila Southwest? Like how big is Aguila? The fuck?
May new blood dito sa Bale.
Bruh.
Small blob lang. Parang T1 or T2.
Okay. Everybody out Southwest. Get ready to zone.
Yo, wake up.
Hindi na kailangan. Sorry, late
Zone Southwest.
151 plus.
Zone.
Just check the sheets, man. Just check the sheets. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, zone.
Yo, focus up,
Come to
don't die.
me.
There's a
Yeah, I
lot of
need scouts
people.
still on chill here. I need scouts still on chill here. Tell me if they coming towards me. Okay, everybody just don't come southwest. What the fuck is this? What is economics on a on a bear?
Wala na rin siyang mount eh.
Come here, see, come here, see, come here, see.
SC.
Play a choke. We need to kite to a choke if ever.
Boss.
Nagre-raid yung Agila dito, Mugi.
Saan?
May earn money tsaka earn money level 28 sa incline.
Yeah, this mommy.
Dismount on Mugi.
Yo, just hold first. Careful front line. Yo, listen. Tell me if Griffin Empire's mounted, they're coming towards me. Yo, listen, we're gonna kite any if ever they come, okay? Yo, tanks try to peel some of the tanks, right? Listen, some of the tanks peel the main Zerg, then some of the tanks peel the brawlers inside my main Zerg, right? Yo, listen, food up. Careful front line. Yo, careful, they have range bomb, okay? Yo, listen. Drag the guards here. Yo, ergonomics, drag the guards here. Yeah, everything on the guard shallow. Wait, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, guard shallow. Hold. Careful front line. Yeah, listen, I need tanks behind watching. Tell me if Pure Gold, tell me if Griffin Empire is coming. Okay. You have an OC.
Biggest
Fuck it.
caller maybe.
Yo, careful. Listen, rotate guard runes and start smashing only, okay? Careful over the wall. Not a lot of people should be getting engaged on. Careful front line. Ready defense up front. Ready defenses? They're engaging. Careful.
Eyes in front.
They have a light collar. Be careful of light collar, please.
Nasaan
someone
yung
watch
Griffin
the
Empire,
south.
Mugi?
They're inside with them. Full brawl.
Yeah, I saw level 40.
They're fucking 41. What the fuck?
Yo, eyes in front.
May chiller scout ah.
Yeah. Just tell me if Chillier is coming. We just kite southeast, you know. Just tell me if Chillier zones, okay? No, like, please do not fucking give me late info.
Fake.
Yo, just focus on smashing. Listen, just focus on smashing. Just ready defenses on the people
Yo, eyes in
smashing.
front,
Just focus
eyes
on
in front.
smashing. Light collar, careful. Yo, don't bring the light collar to the Zerg, man. Don't bring the fucking light collar to the Zerg.
Ba yan?
May sila Rip Glaive Bomb naka-invi.
Okay, they have a Rift Cleave bomb. Be careful, Envy. Rift Cleave bomb.
Tanker, can you pass it to me? I will mark.
Yo, careful,
Ah,
careful.
sige,
Bumante
sige.
kayo, hindi nyo nakikita yung nasa gate.
Heal touch me. Bam. Heal up.
Bumabante kayo. Nakikita
Yo,
ko
100
kayo,
kill. You're
nasa
late.
likod kayo.
Maniga.
Hindi nyo nakikita yung nasa gate niyan.
Yo, just focus on smashing. Guard rune up front. Careful. Defend shallow. Heal up.
Millibomb southwest.
What I mean, that's the southeast. Yo, careful southeast. There's a bomb southeast. Everyone, look at southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2,
Eyes in
1.
front,
Headbutt
eyes in
southeast.
front, eyes in front.
Oh, listen. Come north.
Not yet,
Come north here.
not
Yo,
yet,
hold the
not
choke. Come north. Come north downhill.
They're pushing out,
Yo,
they're
listen.
pushing out,
Come
they're
north
pushing
downhill. Locus. North downhill. Northeast downhill.
Pop if you need.
Tanks hold them. Tanks hold them. Modem. Yo, listen.
Get down
Spread
from the
downhill. Spread
choke, get down the hill.
Spread downhill only.
Go
Careful
down,
up
go
front.
down, go down.
Spread downhill only.
Yo, keep
Just hold
healing,
here.
keep healing.
Yeah,
Spread
hold
out,
here.
spread
Just
out,
keep the
spread
tanks. So ready. Everyone, get ready. Look at southwest. Southwest of the choke. Of the choke.
in front.
5, 4,
Up the
3,
hill, up the
2,
hill, up the
1.
hill,
Everyone, up the choke now. Nice. Come northeast.
Keep healing, keep
Oh,
healing,
spread
keep
northeast. Yeah,
healing
listen, I have bomb
everywhere.
squads. Don't worry, I have bomb squads.
There's someone behind.
Yeah, come any. Come east side. Come any.
Yo,
Keep walking
push
to north
east,
side
push
to
east,
Griffin
push east,
Empire.
push
Keep
east.
walking north side to Griffin Empire.
Push
You
east,
give me
push
clashes
east,
and heals,
push
okay?
east.
Listen, Marlika, spread around. 8 seconds. Just survive 8 seconds. We're gonna engage, okay? Spread around. Ready defenses. Spread. Find me now. Look at me. Get ready. Everything on top me. Southwest. 5 on the 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send it to me. Big. Nice one, boys. Now listen. Spread and survive. Spread and survive. Okay, spread only and heal up. Keep cutting northeast. Okay? Careful on the choke, boys. Careful on the choke. Yo, do not pass through chokes. Try to spread away. Okay? Get ready. 9 seconds. We're gonna engage again. Okay? Find me, DPS. Find me. Get ready. Look at me. Okay? Yo, 4 seconds. Northeast. Deep northeast on the crown. Everything send it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything now.